Today we're making Ethiopian spiced butter in Niter Kibbeh.
This recipe makes about 6 cups of spiced butter. You can find the measurements for this recipe in the description box below. First, chop your onions, ginger. Next, prepare all of your whole spices to toast in a skillet over medium heat. Toast your spices for a few minutes until they become very fragrant. Be careful not to scorch your spices as you're toasting them, or they will become very bitter. After toasting, set aside to cool. Measure out your remaining spices. In a saucepan, add 3 pounds of unsalted butter and all of the ingredients. Bring your butter and all your spices to a low simmer. Continue to simmer over low heat for 90 minutes. Stir occasionally, continue to simmer, and be very careful not to burn the butter. After 90 minutes, remove from heat. Prepare to strain the butter using a fine mesh cheesecloth. Carefully strain your butter. After straining through a cheesecloth, your butter is finally ready. Your kitchen is going to smell so good after you've made this butter. Store your butter in an airtight jar. It will keep at room temperature for several weeks. This spiced butter will bring so much flavor to your Ethiopian dishes. We have more Ethiopian recipes to come, so please subscribe and stay tuned.